the expanding area of medical research, one device being tested in brain physiology is the microelectrode. Microelectrodes may have significant implications in curing epilepsy. Epilepsy is a neurological condition marked by different cells within the brain overfiring signals to each other. In order to better understand epilepsy, one must first consider the anatomy of brain cells. Brain cells, called neurons, are made up of three main parts: the dendrites, a cell body, and an axon. The cell body receives a signal from the dendrites and generates an action potential, which the axon transmits to a different cell, affecting another part of the brain or body. When neurons fire uncontrollably in the brain, it can cause seizures. Seizures can occur in a variety of different ways. Some seizures are easy to detect because they cause the body to convulse. Others, however, can be more difficult to recognize. One method of detecting seizures is electroencephalography, or EEG, which most often records brain activity on the scalp. However, in some cases of epilepsy, where seizures occur deeper in the brain, those regions of the brain also need to be monitored. In these cases, the microelectrodes are implanted directly into the area of the brain that requires observation. In making unipolar electrodes, solder is used to put a copper wire into a metal pin. With bipolar electrodes, platinum wires are soldered into two separate pins, which are later held together in a plastic casing with dental cement. The next step is to test the electrodes with a circuit tester by placing the wires at opposite ends of the electrode. After determining that the electrodes function properly, the next step is to implant them and begin recording. A seizure identified on EEG will originally look like overactivity in one area of the brain. That overactivity will then spread throughout the brain. The decline of this overactivity indicates the end of a seizure. Along with their benefits in epilepsy, microelectrodes may also make a significant impact within different fields of neurology. While microelectrodes may be smaller than my fingernail, they sure can make a tremendous difference on humanity. Thank you for watching. I hope this has sparked your interest in microelectrodes as they continue to change medicine throughout the world.